I'll show you how to delete browsing history and cache from Google Chrome. If this video is helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. So cache is helpful because it saves a version of the website, and this allows you to load the website faster every time you visit it. However, with new versions of the website coming out, your saved cache can potentially cause conflicts with the new version. So to delete it, you want to first go to these three dots in the upper right corner and then click on Settings. In Settings, you want to go to Privacy and Security and click on Delete Browsing Data. So in here, you can either choose to delete the last 15 minutes or all the way up to all time. And you can choose what you want to delete. However, in this instance, you would want to select browsing history, cookies, and other site data, cached image and files, and that's it. So then you can just click delete data and you'll be good.